alligation mixture. We discuss on alligation mixture. Now first question. In what ratio should be water be mixed with? In what ratio should water be mixed with milk? Water be mixed with milk. Costing rupees 12 per liter, so that the cost of mixture becomes 8 rupees per kg. Now water will be mixed with milk. We mix milk and water, then cost price of water is always 0 and cost price of milk is given 12 per liter, 12 rupees per liter. Then these two mix and their mixture, will be sold at 8 rupees per liter. Now here we write 8 minus 0, 8 minus 12. Then their ratio is 8 as to, 12 minus 8. Here 12 minus 8. Then their ratio is 8 as to 4 is 2 as to 1. Now your answer is 2 as to 1. Your answer is 2 as to 1. Next. In what ratio should water be mixed with milk? Costing rupees 18 per liter. Costing rupees 18 per liter. So that the cost of mixture, becomes 10 rupees per liter. So that the cost of mixture becomes 10 rupees per liter. Here we mix milk with water. Here we mix milk and water. Then cost price of water always 0. Cost price of water is always 0. And cost price of milk that will be mixed, is 18 rupees per liter. Then these two will be mixed. Then mixture will be sold at 10 rupees per liter. Now here we write subtraction of these two. And here write subtraction of these two. 10 minus 0 is 10 and 80 minus 0 is 8. Now your ratio is 5 as to 4. Your ratio is 5 as to 4. Your answer is 5 as to 4. Your ratio is 5 as to 4. Now here 5 liter water be mixed with milk. Costing rupees 18 per liter is 4 liter. See? Now next. In what ratio should water be mixed with? In what ratio should water be mixed with milk, so that profit of 16% earned, profit of 16% earned by selling the mixture at cost price. Here we mix water and milk. Milk and water. Then cost price of water is 0. Here cost price of milk not given. Then we take 1, 10 or 100. Then we take 1 or 10 or 100 at anyone. Now cost price of milk is 1 rupees per liter and cost price of water is 0. Then this mixture to be, here CP of milk is, cost price of milk is 1 rupees per liter. 1 rupees per liter. Now these to be mixed. Then mixture will be sold at cost price. Mixture will be sold at cost price. Then cost price of milk is always here 1. Then cost CP of mixture always CP of mixture is 1 rupees per liter. 1 rupees per liter. Now, but here profit is 16%. Here now profit is 16% profit. Here is 16% profit. Now we find cost price of 1 liter mixture. Now we find cost price of 1 liter mixture. Here, if profit is 16%, then 100 becomes 116. Now cost price of mixture is 1. Selling price of mixture is 1. Then cost price of mixture. Then cost price of mixture. Then we cross multiple here. 100 into 1 is equal to 116 into x. Then 100 divided by 116. This is the cost price of mixture. This is cost price of mixture. Now we write here cost price of mixture is 100 divided by 116. This is the CP of mixture. Now we find, then we write 1, 0 and 100 divided by 116. Milk, water. Milk is 1 rupees, water is 0 rupees, and CP is 100 divided by 116. Then we write here subtraction of these two is 100 divided by 116, or subtraction of these two 1 minus 100 divided by 116. Then here we write 100 divided by 116, and here write 16 divided by 116. 16, 16, 116 cancel. Now the ratio is 100:16. That is 25:4. Your answer is 25:4. Your answer is 25:4. Okay, none of this. Your answer is 25:4. Next. Here, what ratio should water be mixed with alcohol? What ratio should water be mixed with alcohol, so that a profit of 20% is earned? So that profit of 20% is earned by selling the mixture at cost price. By selling the mixture at cost price. By selling the mixture at cost price. Here, same way write mixture of alcohol and water. Mixture of alcohol and water. Then CP of water is 0 and CP of alcohol is cost price of alcohol. Then CP of alcohol is 1. Now these two are mixed. Then mixture will be sold at cost price. Then cost price here 1. Then cost price here 1. Here profit given 20% is profit. Here profit is 20%. Then find cost price of mixture. Then find this is selling price of mixture. Selling price of mixture. Is 1 rupees. Then CP of mixture, cost price of mixture. Then find cost price of mixture. Here we write same 20% profit. If 100 then 20% profit becomes 120. Here selling price is 1 rupees. Now find cost price. Here always CP, here SP. Cross multiplication here, 100 into 1 is equal to 120 into x. Then x is equal to 100 divided by 120. Here is CP. Now here CP is cost price of mixture is 100 divided by 120. We write here 100 divided by 120. CP is 100 divided by 120. Here we write same 100 divided by 120. Alcohol, water, 10 and 100 divided by 120. Here we write subtraction 100 divided by 120. Here subtraction. Here subtraction of these two. 120 minus 100 divided by 120. Here we write 100 divided by 120. Here write 20 divided by 120. Get cancelled. Then your ratio is 100 as to 20. Your ratio is 100 as to 20. 21, 25. Then your answer is 5 as to 1. Now your answer is 5 as to 1. Now your answer is 5 as to 1. This is your answer, 5 as to 1. Next. Here. In what ratio should water be mixed with alcohol? Water be mixed with alcohol, so that the profit 16 2/3% is earned by selling the mixture as cost price. Is earned by the selling the mixture as cost price. Selling the mixture as cost price. Here we write same. Now mix alcohol and water. What should water be mixed with? Water be mixed with alcohol. Now first we write water. Now here first we write water. Water be mixed with alcohol. Water be mixed with alcohol. Water be mixed with alcohol, so that profit is first water mixed with alcohol. First we write water, then alcohol. Water cost price of water is 0. Cost price of alcohol is 1. Then mixture will be sold at cost price. With a CP of alcohol is 1 rupees. And then selling price of mixture. Selling price of mixture is 1 rupees. Selling price of mixture is 1 rupees. Selling price of mixture is 1 rupees. Here profit is 15 divided by 3%. This is selling price. Now we calculate cost price. This is selling price. Now we calculate cost price. Here now we calculate cost price. If CP is 100, then profit is 15 divided by 3%. Now we write here 100 plus 15 divided by 3. Now we write here, if here 100, then here 350 divided by 3. Divided by 3. Then cross multiply here. If CP is 300, then SP is 350. Then your CP is. CP is 1 rupees. Then find SP. Sorry. There, if selling price is 1 rupees, then find CP, cost price. Now cross multiple 300 divided by 350. Then your X, value of X is 300 into 1 is equal to X into 355. Then X is equal to 300 divided by 350. Then your CP of mixture is 300 divided by 350. Now we solve it. 0, 1, 300 divided by 350. Now water, alcohol, 0, 1, and CP is 300 divided by 350. The subtraction of these two, here write 1 minus 300 divided by 350, and subtraction of these two, 300 divided by 350 minus 0. Here we write 50 divided by 350 as to 300 divided by 350. Now they cancel and remains 50 as to 30. 0, 0 get cancelled. Keep 1 as to 6. Here water is 0, CP of alcohol is 1, and CP of mixture is 300 divided by 350. Then subtraction of this here, subtraction of this here, subtraction of this is 50 divided by 350, 300 divided by 50. It get cancelled, is 1 as to 6. One is to 6. Here we write water first and then alcohol. Next, in what ratio should be T costing rupees 60 per kg be mixed with T costing rupees 65 per kg, so that profit of 10%, so that profit 10% made by selling the mixture as 68.20 per kg. Here what should be costing? Here two type T1, T2. Cost price of T1 is 60 and cost price of T2 is 65. Here first we write T1, then we write T2. Then they will be mixed. Then selling price of mixture. Selling price of mixture. Selling price of mixture is 68.20. Selling price of mixture is 68.20. Then we find cost price of mixture. If selling price of mixture is 68.20, here 10% is profit given. Then we write, if 100 rupees by 10% profit, it becomes 110 rupees. 10% profit. If 100 rupees, then it becomes 110. Then your selling price, this is SP and this is CP. Your selling price is 68.20. Then find cost price. Now cross multiple here. Then X is equal to 68.20 divided by into 100. 68.20 into 100 divided by 110. Now 0 get cancelled. Then we write here 682 divided by 11. This is your cost price of mixture. This is your cost price of mixture is 11 6 are 66, remain 2 and 2 20. 62. Your cost price is 62. Your cost price is 62. Your cost price CP is 62. Then your CP is 62. Cost price of mixture, CP of mixture. Now what? Find $60, $65, $62. T1 60, T2 type 2 T is 65 and then mixture will be sold at 62. Now we will write here the subtraction of these two and subtraction of these two. Here subtraction of these two is 3 and here subtraction of these two is 2. Now these 2 T mixed with 3:2 ratio. These 2 T mixed with 3:2 ratio. Here 3:2. Your answer is 3:2. Your answer is 3:2. Next. How many kilogram of wheat costing rupees 8 per kg? How kg of wheat costing 8 rupees per kg? Mixed with 16 kg of rice costing 36 kg of rice costing rupees 540 per kg, so that 20% gain. So that 20% gain may be obtained by selling the mixture as 720. There are two types of wheat. First write wheat 1, wheat 2. Now first costing of first type of wheat is 8 rupees per kg and second type of wheat, second mixed with costing of rupees, second type of wheat costing is 5.4 per rupees per kg. Now quantity of first type of wheat, here find how many kg of, here quantity of first type of wheat is unknown and quantity of second type of wheat is 36. Quantity of second type of wheat is 36. Here cost price of first type of wheat is 8 rupees and here cost price of second type of wheat is 5.4. Now they are mixed. Then mixture will be, then this is important. Then mixture will be sold at 7 rupees per kg. Then selling price of mixture. Selling price of mixture is 7.20 rupees per kg. Here profit is 20%. Here profit is 20%. Then cost price of mixture, then CP of mixture is 7.20 into 100 divided by, we find directly 100 divided by 120. Then selling price of mixture is 7.20 into 100 divided by 120. Here profit is 20. Now solve here. Then we write 720 divided by 120. Then CP of mixture. Then CP of mixture is 6 rupees per kg. Then CP of mixture is 6 rupees per kg. Then type 1 of wheat 8 rupees per kg and 5.4 per kg mix, and then mixture will be sold at 6 rupees or 6 rupees per kg. There this is cost price. Now we find 8.46. Here W1, W2, here find W1, here 36 kg. Now here we get 36 kg, 8, 5.4 and 6. 8, 5.4 and 6. Now here we write subtraction of these two. 6 minus 5.4 is 0.6. 6 minus 5.4. 6 minus 5.4 is 0.6. As to 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. Then their ratio is 6 as to 20. 6 as to 20 is 3 as to 10. Your ratio is 3 as to 10. Your ratio is 3 as to 10. Now here we write same. Here quantity. Here quantity of the W1 and W2, X and 36. Then their ratio of quantity is 3 as to 10. Then we cross multiple here. Then X is equal to 36 into 3. Divided by 10. 108 divided by 10. Then X is 10.8. Now value of X is 10.8. Now your answer is 10.8. Now your answer is 10.8. Your answer is 10.8. This is your answer. W1 is costing 8 rupees 8 rupees per kg. W2 costing 5.4 rupees per kg. These two mixed, then mixture will be sold at 7.20 rupees per kg. This is selling price. Now we find cost price of mixture. Then 7.20 into 100 divided by 120 is 6. Then solve. Then find, we get 10.8 answer. Now here, a dishonest milkman claims to sell a milk at the purchase price, but he mixes water in it and sell it and earn a 25% profit. What is the percent of water in the mixture? What is the percent of water in the mixture? If milkman claims to sell the milk at purchase price, but he mix water in it. Then this is the mixture of milk and water. This is a mixture of milk and water. Then CP of water is 0. Cost price of water is 0. And cost price of milk, if here percent given, then 1 or 100. तुम्हाला जे घ्यायचे ते घेऊ शकता. एक कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ मिल्क एक घेतली तरी चालेल, नाहीतर 100 घेतली तरी चालेल, तिथे काही फरक पडत नाही. देन ही sell mixture at the purchase price. Then purchase price of mixture is always 100. Purchase price of mixture is always 100. Here sell milk at purchase price. Then selling price of milk is 100 rupees. Then selling price of milk is 100 rupees. Here profit is 25%. Here profit is 25%. Then 100 rupees price becomes 25%. Here CP, here SP. Now we find selling price of milk is 100 rupees. Selling price of milk is 100 rupees. And then cost price, find cost price. Here we cross multiply 100 into 100 divided by 125. That is selling cost price. Then मग 24 चा 80. This is the selling price. Then we write directly selling price, cost price of mixture is 100. Then selling price of mixture is 100 into 100 divided by 125. We write directly is 80. Then cost price of mixture is 80. Now we will solve. Cost price of mixture is 80. Here we solve. Here milk is 100 rupees, water is 0 and mixture is 80. 100, 0, 80. Milk is 100 rupees, water is 0 rupees and mixture is 80 rupees. Now write subtraction of these two here. Now ratio of milk to water is 4:1. Here 4:1. Now milk is 4, then water is 1 liter, 4 liter, and then water is 4 liter. Here now we find what is percentage of water in the mixture. What is percentage of water? Percentage of water in mixture. Here total mixture is 5 liter. And water is 1 into 100. Percentage of water. We find percentage of water. Here total mixture is 5 liter. Then water quantity of water is 1 into 100%. Then percentage of water is 20%. Now here percentage of water is 20%. Your answer is 20%. Here percentage of water is 20%. Here two vessels are given, vessel A and vessel B. Contain spirit and water mixed in the ratio 5:2 and 7:6. Two vessels A and B contain spirit and water mixed in the ratio 5:2 and 7:6 respectively. If these two mixture be mixed to obtain a new mixture. These two mixtures are mixed in the vessel C and new mixture find in vessel C. Then find the ratio of spirit and water in vessel C. Here vessel A contains spirit and water. Spirit and water in the ratio, spirit and water in the ratio 5:2. This is the ratio. And here spirit and water in the ratio 7:6. Here ratio of spirit and water. Now here spirit is total mixture is 7 liter. Total mixture is 7 liter and spirit is 5 liter. Here total mixture is 7 liter and water is 2 liter. Water is 2 liter. Here total mixture is 13 liter and your spirit is 7 liter and total mixture is 13 liter and your water is 6 liter. Then now these two vessels are mixed and we will find new vessel C in new vessel C. Then we add spirit and water. We add spirit and water. Then spirit vessel C contains spirit. Vessel C. This is vessel C. Contains spirit 5/7 plus 7/13. This is the spirit in vessel C and water in vessel C 2/7 plus 6/13. 2/7 plus 6/13. Now vessel C contains spirit and water. Vessel C contains spirit and water. Vessel C contains spirit. Now if we add 65 plus 49 divided by then this is spirit and water is 26 plus 42 divided by 91. Now we add 60. 91 get cancel. Then your ratio answer is 140:68. That is 57:34. Your ratio is 57:34. We stop here.